we've had this fantastic partnership with you for years. You support the Pixel Academy. That's why I've worn this shirt today, which is our kind of learning space and also our community.
Right.
And you're kind enough to lend us a camera. It's right up there, just behind us, and it's been here the whole time. It's like the star of the show.
Right. So, community.
Yep.
We're both Lumens and tvONE, Green Hippo. We both believe in community as a shared philosophy.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's bigger than that. But just even that microcosm of it, only 2 weeks ago we wrote a script to control lumens within Green Hippo.
Right.
And like we borrowed some other cameras as well, and like we got by far the best like dynamic performance from the lumens. But it goes bigger than that. I also work with Matrox. I work with obviously Netgear for AV. And like a broader community, like the LED that you see around the booth is from partners Vantix,
right?
And I just keep on adding people. BTEC mounts,
yeah.
And like in the Pixel Academy in Maidenhead, which is about 20 minutes from Heathrow, we kind of got all that going on, and it's some exciting stuff as well because it's not just baseband; it's bigger than that.
Yeah. So I mean, we've got the same philosophy. We support Dante and NDI and NDI HX3 and SRT, and we're members of AIMS and all of these organizations. We believe in that openness, but here I understand you've got a real focus on IPMX.
Yeah, so IPMX is a big focus for us, and also trying to understand what that means. So for example, the camera, I don't know what the model is. All I know is it works day in, day out. That can spit out, some baseband formats, but also NDI. And what we've done here, because I wanted to extend that into the IPMX family. We're using a Matrox video, little box will convert IP, and I'm converting that to IPMX. And I know there's other solutions. I've seen on the show floor you can get these little USB converters, but the secret with IPMX, it's inside the network. So it's this like super matrix.
Right.
Like when we used to have the big matrix and every in, out, and now everything on this booth is available to here. And also through the gap there, you can see Matrox. They're sharing all the same content through a couple of fibers under the floor.
Right. Okay. So I mean, we're at both sides of the camp. On the one hand, we've got people talking about Teams meeting.
Yep.
They're happy with compression. H.264. They know that by the time it reaches a desktop, it's going to have been compressed by Microsoft and others, all the way up to you guys with IPMX. And I guess there you're talking about latency and video quality. And
we deal with both sides, to be honest. Like I've been, in the last week or so, I've been using a Lumens camera for like a online streaming session, and then I'm using the same camera. It's so true. I'm using the same camera. I'm plugging in like an adapter from HDMI to USB, plugging it in to get like a high quality feed up to it, and then I flip it, and here I need high quality HDMI. Like the Hippo guys need, SDI, and then for the networking, IPMX.
So the Academy, you're running sessions through the year?
Yeah, so we run 2 sessions every month. So, and we run a Green Hippo session and a Calico session, but we've got a load of sessions in line. So we've already started one for LED. So that's LED master stack from mount to media. See, I learned from the master here, yeah. And so that's about BTEC mounts, it's about Vantix LED, it's about tvONE, it's about Green Hippo. Then I'm going to do one on IP and one on content. And it's crazy, guess where Lumens fits?
Pretty much everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. So when people come into the Academy, I've got 2 racks connected by fiber, and your camera is the first thing they see.
Fantastic. Well, Mark, you're a great partner.
Yeah, you too, and I appreciate all your help.
It's a pleasure. Well, you know where to find out more about tvONE. Yeah. Just head yourself on down to their centre. Yeah. Lumens, I'm afraid we're a bit old-fashioned. See us online at mylumens.com.
Or come, just ask Richard Williams to come in, or Kieran, come to Maidenhead.
There you go.
It's our space, it's our community, my friend.
I'd be nowhere better. Brilliant. Cheers.
Cheers, buddy.